咁我係執事會一部同埋呢個 building project 嘅一員啦，就依家去到呢一步，俾大家一個好簡快嘅 update。希望5分鐘就完成，然後等大家有機會問問題。Hi Mary, we just started. Thanks for joining us. We're gonna have a quick 5 minutes update about the project, and then we'll allow people to ask questions. So how we started? We're very excited to say that we signed the fixed price contract with VED, our builder, last week. 啱啱上個禮拜啦，我哋就同我哋嘅 builder VED 簽咗一張 fixed price contract 嘅。We've done through a few reviews. We asked external quantity surveyor and lawyer to do the review for us. 我哋邀請咗我哋請咗啦一個測量師去睇過我哋個 contract 嗰個價錢，同埋lawyer 睇過晒啲 contract 嘅 detail， 咁都係冇問題嘅。So we have a quantity surveyor to cross-check all the costing to make sure that they're reasonable, and all the legal lawyer review everything. We have internal team to review the contract before we sign it. And then point number 2, the project officially started last Monday and expected to finish by the end of next year, 2026. 我哋期望係大約12個月嘅工程，咁就啱啱上個禮拜一正式開始，然後就希望去到下年聖誕之前會完成。Can someone tell me what are we going to do in the next 12 months? What's the stage we are in? What sort of work that we're going to do? Yep, Mandarin Hall. We have a new Mandarin Hall. 有個新嘅華語堂。We'll have kids room, so we have a few kids room there, and then car park. And there's something about this hall I'm going to share in a minute. The key thing is the cost estimate now will be $2.44 million instead of $1.8 million when we first shared with everyone about a year ago, and I'll explain why. 我哋嘅依家簽約咧，嗰個約就係2.44 mil， 即係244萬，就唔係我哋之前所講嘅180萬。咁我會解釋下點解嘅。最主要原因咧 ，the main reason is the $1.8 million is based on the old design back in 2020, and now we signed a contract based on the new design in 2025. We will build more spaces and areas. For example, more kids rooms wasn't planned originally. We have toilets and car park and more things. So we build more. That's why we need to pay more. 因為我哋起多咗嘢，我哋有兒童事工房咧，之前係冇諗過做嘅。洗手間啦，同埋好多停車位啦，都係額外加上去，所以就貴咗。And also another reason is inflation and also extra building compliance. There's a lot of extra things that we didn't expect it, we didn't know from the councils and water authority, and now we have to build, therefore we need to pay more. 功課膨脹啦，同埋好多嘅政府嘅要求啦，我哋之前都預計唔到嘅。咁依家council 話要起一啲嘢，我哋都冇辦法，一定要起，咁就又多咗錢啦。And third reason is the allowance and contingency. Previously we didn't have any contingency with 0, and now we allow 10%. 之前我哋冇預計到一啲嘅情況係覺得完全完美嘅，冇需要使任何額外使費。咁我覺得我哋啦，即係經過專業人士嘅提醒，就要有10% 嘅預算係去俾一啲我哋預計唔到嘅嘢啦。So you can look at the design. Back in 2020, the shape is just like this on the left-hand side. 2022年我哋嗰陣時估價即係嗰個 design 係唔同咗㗎。Now you look at the right-hand side is 2025. All the orange area will be the area we're going to build. You can see the shape is different. The coverage is more orange space, which means explain why we need to pay more for that. And the next interesting thing is, okay, not yet. And keep an eye on the blue area. 留意下藍色嗰度。我陣間會講少少藍色嗰個係喺邊度啊？知唔知啊？藍色就係啦，就係我哋而家坐緊呢個地方就係藍色啦。Blue area is just right here. So I'm going to explain in a minute. Okay, logistic. There's some area that will be closed, not available. Cantonese Hall will be closed from next year, January 12th to end of February, 6 weeks. There will be direct impact on everyone that using this hall. Why? Because we were going to build a new aircon over here, and also you have a new ceiling. So basically all this area over there will be covered up with a new ceiling, then with a new dust area. 因為我哋要做一個新嘅 aircon 啊，一個新嘅冷氣系統。原本諗住可以用翻舊嘅，但係你見到咧出邊有幾個嗰啲舊嘅 unit 咧，嗰啲 contractor 睇過咧就係好舊啦。佢話寧願如果你想 relocate 咧，仲貴過買個新嘅。So we rather to just give everyone a new one rather than keeping the old one because it's even cheaper to have a new one to then relocate all the existing aircon unit. So because the whole area, this space, and the Mandarin Hall over there will be connected. And the builder decided it's better just have all work together in one go rather than split in the 2 stages. So we bring this stage, the aircon side, forward. So included in this stage at the moment. 6 weeks work, we will lose this Cantonese Hall for 6 weeks. And also the dining hall over there, it will be closed starting from February, January for 11 months. So the Mandarin side will not be able to use that. So where are they going to go? And where you guys are going to go? The arrangement for 6 weeks will be live stream. You will share, the Cantonese congregation will share the live stream hall with the Cantonese congregation will share the hall with the live stream people, which means Sunday service will start at 10 o'clock for English live stream service, and then the Cantonese will start at 12. So this is a temporary arrangement for 6 weeks. And the Mandarin congregation will go to Nunawading Hub. So they're planning to stay at 11 o'clock to start their service until the new Mandarin Hall are complete and finished and open. And how about the Cantonese? Sorry, how about the children ministry? 兒童事工點算呢？咁我哋仲 plan 緊嘅 so to be confirmed. So we're still planning about the logistic, the timing as well. Okay, so now quick rundown. Any questions? 有冇人有冇問題? So it's a quick update, but I'm sure that you have questions. Feel free to ask. 歡迎大家問任何問題。我唔知有冇咪啊？可以俾大家問問題係啦。Pastor John 有個咪，隨便問。你可以 digest 下，諗下。我哋有5分鐘嘅時間 so we have allowed 5-10 minutes for everyone to ask questions if you're interested or if you think that are not clear. If there's no questions, then we are done.
想問呢，我哋 increase 咗嗰個 budget 都唔少錢嘅，都成40幾萬係咪啊？係咯，咁我又想知道我哋嘅 payment 嘅 method 係點樣樣嘅，即係 by stage 係咪啊？咁樣去 pay 俾佢嘅。
Yes, good question. The question is now this stage we're gonna cost much more, $2.44 million compared to 1.8 that we have raised. So there's about $600,000 different. How are we gonna pay? Good question. We will pay the builder month by month, progress payment. 我哋會俾個 builder 係每個月俾數嘅。So based on what's been complete. So the first payment will be probably end of this month. They will charge us X amount. We'll pay from our bank. Praise God that we have already raised majority of the fund cash in our bank. We don't have any problem. I don't think we have any problem in terms of paying the builders for probably 6-9 months. So we have the money for that. 我哋應該冇問題嘅，就係俾到8至9月嘅錢啦，我哋都有㗎啦，已經係銀行。咁餘下條數點樣做咧？我唔知可唔可以 ？Maybe we can have our treasurer to come and. Oh, you can just sit where you are, and I just address that. How are we going to get the rest of the money to complete the build? How? You can just add a few words. I can also explain, elaborate a little bit more.
Thanks, Aaron. As you know, with this build, it's been a journey of faith, and God has really provided. So it'll, for this next part, just to pay off that gap that we have for the rest of the build, it will be us as a church family getting together and praying, believing in God, depending on Him to provide, and for us to continue giving and investing.
係啦，咁我哋嘅財務啦，都講我係一個即係信心嘅功課啦。咁我哋會繼續祈禱啦，同埋我諗係俾大家知道我哋嘅奉獻情況喺到邊啊。咁我哋仲爭幾多啊？咁係我哋要擺上信心嘅回應。當然 Deacons Board 係會做適當嘅決定嘅，即係話喺緊急嘅時候，我哋真係唔夠啦，咁我哋同 builder 講，不如可能停工啦，即係暫時停一停。So for example, if we have the worst scenario, don't have enough fund, then we can inform the builder, say, hey, can you pause and slow down a little bit? And yeah, a few other options we can consider. But the good thing is we don't have any problem in a 9 months, and we should be able to finish majority of the work, which is good. And we'll continue to work with the builder along this. And he has no issue with that. He's quite well aware of our situation at the moment. Very reasonable.
Another question 係嗰個 car park 整完之後咧，係咪一個permanent car park 定係都係一啲 temporary 好似而家咁嘅地下嘅咧？
Okay, the question is the car park area, is it permanent or is it temporary? So you can see the orange area, the front car park, and also we call the lower car park or the north car park. They are permanent car park. So
即係落雨都嗰個鞋都好乾淨嘅。
if it's rain like today, can we still walk on it without any dirt? The answer is yes. We'll have a fully concreted car park. Yeah， 即係全部會鋪晒石屎，冇泥㗎啦，係一個長遠嘅 car park 停車位嚟嘅，咁所以都係貴啲嘅。
唔好意思，正話講到咧，就因為嗰啲嘅 inflation 啦嚇，又整咗加咗啲預期冇計較到嘅。咁我想問下咩洗手間咧？係佢將我哋 renovate 嘅洗手間啦，定係再起多洗手間啊？
Okay, the question is more space particularly about a toilet. Is it just renovate the existing toilet or having a new toilet? The answer is we're gonna have a new toilet.
即係唔響個位㗎咯喎，第時。
We will keep the existing toilet. On top of that, we have new toilets.
哦。
即係話，除咗我哋現有嘅洗手間之外咧，我哋係另外加咗啲兒童主日嘅洗手間嘅。
我加咗兒童主嘅洗手間。係
有貴少少嘅。嗱，你而家去到我唔知有冇得 laser 咧 ？laser 係啦，呢個位係好，再你問呢度呢個位就係我哋嘅 dining hall。This area, they are the new toilet blocks to service all the 3 kids' room. So all the kids' ministry, if they want to use the toilet, they are specifically designed for them.
因為之前都冇諗過嘅，係佢哋提議俾你哋㗎嘛。
Yes, the BBT team, we didn't think about that until we have the requirement collections phase a few months ago, and then we realized that for the kids, it's more appropriate for them to have their own dedicated toilet and easier for all the ministry leaders and helpers to sort out with the kids. And initially, this toilet block, and this is empty. It was empty. It wasn't there. But after reviews, a revised design, we find that instead of having a garden or empty space, it's better to utilize the space with the 2 extra rooms, and obviously this costs more for these 2 areas. 就簡單嚟講，就係我哋會有另外一個嘅 toilet，就係呢個位啦。就係俾兒童事工去用嘅，咁係俾小朋友同大人都用得嘅。咁但係個用意就係佢哋唔使走出嚟走嚟走去，喺呢3個兒童事工房入邊，就佢哋自己去靈活咁運用去埋廁所啦。
唔該晒。
Thank you, thank you. Good question. Question from Caleb. Cantonese? English?
English 講容易啲。Okay. So you mentioned that paying the builders will be done in monthly or installments based on what work is finished. Is this correct?
Correct.
Do we have a breakdown of the different stages of stage 1, of different installments of what needs to be completed before each payment is made?
OK，Caleb 你中文得唔得問啊？
哦，中文啊，每我頭先第一樣嘢問就係咪起完一樣嘢先俾一紮錢，或者每月俾一紮錢俾個 builder，你就話係起完一紮跟住先俾一忽錢俾個 builder。咁就想要問呢，佢哋有冇寫低話起完第一個第一份嘢咧，俾個 building 咧係咪會俾好似話俾1萬蚊，俾起完話廁所啦，跟住第忽就係話起完普通話堂，跟住俾10萬蚊，有冇呢個 breakdown 俾我哋啊
？Oh, are there any breakdowns? Yes, we do have breakdowns of when are going to do what. So 12 months work schedules is there, but in terms of dollar terms, not yet. 我哋係有一個 schedule 就係每個月會做啲乜，但係嗰個月做啲乜，然後要幾多錢呢？我哋未有。不過我哋可以問個 builder 攞呢個資料，咁我哋可以 we can better be prepared to make sure that we have enough money to pay them. Good question. Yep. Chris?
個問題就係可唔可以 builder 唔好俾我哋太多嘅 surprise， 好似華語堂星期四封咗，咁我哋星期四先知，可唔可以俾多少時間我哋多啲嘅溝通，咁變咗呢，即係大家都可以有適當嘅準備，否則嘅時候呢，突然間佢都冇俾個 timeline 或者個 schedule， 即係如果可以嘅時候，多啲同我哋溝通，俾我哋有足夠準備，否則嘅時候呢，就令到各個堂會同埋好多嘅嗰啲嘅 leader 啊，或者甚至呢個傳道人呢，都係好困難嘅。唔該。
Okay, the question is whether we can ask the builder to give us less surprises, give us more time to respond. For example, all of a sudden we couldn't use the dining hall main entrance. We just find out on Thursday. It's a bit hard for us to adjust sometime. Can we ask them to do that? Yes, I'm going to ask him. I've already asked him to say can you give us less surprises? But as you can imagine, during construction projects, that a lot of things that he couldn't foresee. So he couldn't tell us up front. He just picked it up on site, and then he find that okay, the steps there interrupt his plan to do the demolition, and he has to do what he has to do. One option is we can allocate more brother and sister to be on site, and then keep an eye on him and his progress, and then provide more frequent update. 係啦，咁佢哋個 builder 咧都係盡量嘅去俾我哋多啲嘅時間去回應。咁禮拜四就係因為佢拆咗啲嘢某個位都冇辦法，一定要拆埋嗰段。咁佢就話都個門口都用唔到啦。咁都好多嘢係現場先發現。咁我都同 builder 講可唔可以早啲話俾佢聽。咁佢都話可以嘅，盡量啦。咁如果可以點樣再做好啲咧，就係有弟兄姊妹日日嚟同佢傾偈咯。或者嚟同佢 check 下咯，咁我都諗住可能我都帶埋部電腦嚟呢度做嘢㗎啦，咁啊多啲即係可能未必日日啦，咁啊多幾日嚇，我都係突然間聖靈感動，我話禮拜四我要睇睇咯喎，咁樣我冇諗住去嘅，點知一去就發現呢樣嘢，亦都咁啱得咁巧，當佢拆完之後呢，就有華語堂嘅弟兄姊妹準備入去啦，咁好多嘢係啱真係咁啱得咁巧先知，然後就即刻話俾大家聽，話唔用得啦，咁樣就即刻做嘅。咁啊 Chris 都好快就作出一啲好快嘅回應，咁但係都係唔好意思係要令到大家有啲壓力嘅，但係大家做個 building project 都明白呢啲嘢係會發生嘅，咁我哋盡量 proactive 啦，we'll try our best to have good communication with the builder, give more notice, but be prepared that there will be more surprises， 都會繼續有嘅。我都唔好意思啊 ，Chris 真係搞到佢，唉，好多嘢搞啊！同埋弟兄姊妹啦，即係好多嘢我哋要好靈活咁樣去變通啦。So we need to be agile, be flexible in the next 12 months. Yes. One last question. 最尾一條問題有冇 ？Fendi 有冇問題啊？哦。Anyone? OK。 如果再有問題，你可以 scan 個 QR code。哦，we do have a OK，Caleb。You can also scan the QR code, and you can ask any question anytime. We'll collect all the questions, and then respond accordingly. Put it on our website or have another forum like this to answer people's questions.
個 car park 起完嗰時咧，我哋可唔可以 immediately 用，或者等晒全部 station 先可以用到？
Good question. Can we use those car park yellow bit immediately after it's finished? 可唔可以即刻用咧？係可以嘅。下年12月就希望可以用晒所有黃色嗰啲橙色嘅部分啦。According to a contract, that all the car parks area highlight in orange will be done by end of next year. Then you can use it straight away. Yep, question from Andy. Andy 有問題？
嗰個 car park 咧，北面個 car park，咁咧你要通過去咧喺 Springfield Road 通入去咧，你要經過白色嗰個位嘅，白色嗰個未做噶嘛。咁所以係咪可以經過嗰度去泊去北面個 car
Our question is, can we use the white area over there to access the car park in the north, the lower car park? The answer is I don't know yet. I'll ask the builder. 我唔知道，我唔敢亂咁答住，我問咗佢先。Based on what I discussed with the builder, because he built the orange bit like this, 呢個 crossover，佢嘅 intention 就俾我哋可以用到嘅。但係 I will double check to make sure that this area they're going to put in the right material for us to just cross but not park. Yeah，我會再同個 builder 去 double check 呢個好好問題。白色第二日係 car park, so the white bit over here called the upper car park or the south side car park. Yep, it will be a permanent car park in next stage when we do the Live Spring Hall stage. 到我哋做 Live Spring Hall 嘅時候咧，呢個 car park 都會做埋㗎啦，就會係 permanent 嘅，係啦。Would there be a lot of dirt？ 好冇好多泥咧？都會嘅，今日咁樣落雨都會爛晒㗎啦。係啊，我要同佢傾下點樣做可以又唔俾人拍，但係又可以行得過咯。So we need to find a way to let people to pass through. Because one thing highlighted, this is the in and out. This entrance is in and out 呢個雙路 two way 嘅。但係咧去到 Springfield Road 咧呢個位咧係 exit only， 呢個位淨係出嘅啫。唔入得嘅，咁即係我哋要喺呢度入，喺呢度出，咁就會有好多泥。Yeah, there will be a lot of dirt, something like that. Yes, we need to address that. A lot of good questions. Keep it coming. One last question. Okay, Derek. Blue color 係咩咧？就係個 blue colour 就係呢度啦，就係講緊嗰個 aircon 同埋個 ceiling 嚇。點解係 blue 咧？因為本身個 builder 問我你諗 optional 你做唔做啊？佢話要做俾多啲錢咯，就將呢個係 bring it forward 早啲做。咁佢話如果唔做點啊？唔做嘅話咧，呢度就會冇咗 aircon 㗎啦。咁所以就決定做埋佢啦。喺呢個圖嘅 design。畫呢個圖嗰個 moment 我哋未做決定，但係依家已經決定咗啦。藍色部分就係呢度嘅aircon 同埋個 ceiling。So Derek asked, what's the blue area? The area is about the construction site, the 6 weeks work that we're going to install the new aircon and provide new ceiling. At the time that we draft this plan, we haven't decided because it was an optional item for us to consider. But I asked the builder, if we don't do that, what's that mean? Which means that there will be no air conditioning in this space. And I told him that, that's not going to be possible. We need that. So that's why we included in our current contract to get it done. And try to get it done as soon as possible within 6 weeks and after Christmas. There's a lot of adjustment and negotiation in the past few weeks to get to where we are right now. To make sure that it's seamless, as smooth as possible and efficient as possible. Yeah, one more question. Use the mic. Yes。
你頭先話嗰個 construction company 已經每個月已經知道佢哋將來會做乜嘢，會呢一個 list 會唔會 expose 俾我哋知？
So that list about the working schedule and when they're going to do what, and Derek asked, can we ask the builder to share with everyone? So he has already shared with me, so I have access to it, and also with the project team, that they do have access to it. Whether we can share with everyone, I don't know yet. The reason is there's a lot of changes. We don't want people to say, oh, you said that you're going to do this, but why you don't do it? Because there's a lot of changes in the next 12 months. So we don't want people to get outdated information. So we can probably get a rough idea. It may not be the detailed working schedule, but I'll double check with the builder. 我哋可唔可以 share 嗰個好 detail 嘅 working schedule 俾大家咧？我哋同埋 building project team 已經有㗎啦，但係會唔會 share 俾每一個人我就唔清楚。我問問個 builder，因為咧可能都有好多變動啊。咁我哋又唔想弟兄姊妹太多資訊又 outdate 咗就唔好意思啦。我再 double check 下先。我唔需要，有人話唔需要。So there's a comment saying that probably we don't need the detail, but maybe we can forget. Good one. So maybe one option is just reach out to the project team. They will have the information. If you need more detail, I'm sure that they're happy to share on the individual basis. We need a lot of conversation. 我哋要提嘢、要講嘢、要解釋啊！就咁齋睇完都唔知乜嚟嘅可能。咁所以你哋問我哋喺呢個咁嘅情況問下個情況，咁樣我哋都可以解答到俾大家。Yes, Fendi。
我想問下咧，因為成個工程之後，而家提到個卡帕，咁略估計工程完咗之後可以滿足到有幾多卡帕啊
？The question is how many car park we're gonna have? In terms of numbers， 要數下先，我唔知道。
係咪即係畫住嗰啲就係啊？
畫住嗰啲係啦，你可以幫我數下喎。So the map over there is really is the most updated one, and same as this one. All the orange area are the one that we're going to build in this stage. You can actually count it. It's accurate. So you can count how many car park. This is how many car park we're going to have.
Total 有冇幾多？
嗱，總共咧有幾多 car park 咧？我哋總共會起45個嘅。
有啊。
咁你可以數下，好準嘅呢個圖已經。你就數逐個數咧，就數到究竟有幾多個啦。
即係白色嗰邊咧，就係兩邊都拍嘅，因為睇唔到依邊究竟仲有冇咧。
cut 咗 sorry， 你睇翻嗰個出邊嗰個 map 就會好啲，係可以數下嗰啲 car park。42個。OK， 42。
好叻喎！
冷氣 ，yes。你話做緊嗰陣時，定做完之後？做冷氣，其實呢度成個 hall 都唔用得㗎啦。
係啊係啊，嗰個冷氣點樣做啊？係一個中央咁樣散落嚟點啊？
中央冷氣。The question is how's that aircon look like and the ceiling how's that look like? There is a plan to map out where you're going to have the outlet. So what that look like is there will be a big unit on the roof, and then there are different outlet. 有唔同嘅管就會落到嚟，然後就個 ceiling 封晒。跟住咧就會有幾個窿出嚟，就會噴啲氣出嚟㗎啦。
我先你司令唔會封我哋呢度係嘛？
封晒㗎啦呢度。
即係我哋矮咗㗎咯
喎。矮咗少少 ，yeah， 但係
喺個風扇呢個位成個 cut 咗佢㗎咯。
唔係喺個風扇上邊。
上高。
個 ceiling 會喺風扇上邊嘅盡量。我就叫佢盡量有幾高就幾高。
咁呢個位都要喐埋。
呢個位就唔會喐嘅。
唔會喐。
呢個位冇 ceiling 嘅，呢兩個位都係。你覺得嗰格呢？見到藍色嗰度咧，係得4格有 ceiling 嘅啫，就係1、2、3、4。
咁另外做完呢一個咧，第日廣東堂嘅內部裝修就另外一件事啦。
係啦，另一件事嚟嘅。So the whole Cantonese hall stage will be the final stage. Yeah, we will refurbish the entire place in the final stage. So this aircon actually we brought it forward from that stage to now. 本來係諗住呢個 con 係最尾先做嘅，但係發覺依家都係要做埋佢啦。就將嗰部分咧推前咗做，然後廣東堂就會再有一個翻新工程嘅，
咁如果我哋呢一個嘅冷氣工程，會唔會又同華語堂一齊做埋嗰個工程㗎？
係啦，就係因為依家華語堂會有做冷氣，
係啦，
咁
所以一齊做
所以就發覺不如一齊做晒佢啦，
所以
咁樣
提前咗咁樣。
係啦。
係
So because we need to have a new aircon for the Mandarin Hall, so the contractor decided to best way to do it, the most cost-effective way to do it is do it together in one go.
Yeah, thank you.
To replace all the unit, all this will be gone. 現有嗰啲嘅冷氣咧會冇晒㗎啦，好舊啦，十幾廿年啊。Yes, Clement.
Speaking of renovations, during renovation and building time, how do each congregation handle, let's say, how do Cantonese handle if they couldn't use the hall, that type of thing?
They couldn't use the hall.
So basically,
What's the arrangement?
what's the arrangement for each congregation if we're not able to use the main hall or
Okay.
of each respective?
Yeah.
Same time?
So, Clement, this is the 6 weeks arrangement. Yeah, when Cantonese Hall lose the 6 weeks using this space, Live Spring will start the service at 10 o'clock. Which believe Cantonese and Cantonese and Live Spring congregation will share the hall together. We're using the Live Spring Hall for Sunday service. 咁啊 Clement 嘅問題就係、如果你哋做緊呢個工程6個禮拜，你哋去邊度聚會啊？咁就會去英文堂嗰度聚會。咁、個時間就係12點嘅，你哋會由11點褪到去12點零啦。咁就係會用同英文堂係分享同一個地方。咁英文堂就早啲，你哋就褪少少。咁啊6個禮拜暫時嘅安排係咁樣。Yeah, a lot of rehearsals. There will be another planning to see how do we work out a logistic. Yeah, rehearsal, preparation. Just a little bit of warning. There will be more changes coming up in the next 12 months. And please be patient with us. So, yes, Chris?
頭先你講呢個冷氣咧一齊做就最好啦。咁我想問咧嗰個 smoke detection system 係咪會一齊做咧？因為咧呢個係個 legal requirement， 即係意思咧咩 smoke detection system 咧，即係意思咧而家嘅 requirement 係一定要 break gas alarm 啊，或者我哋叫做即係唔講你聽到個 term 啦。跟住咧仲有個 fire indicator panel 啊，再加埋嗰個 smoke 嗰個 alarm 咧係要DC、AC 同埋 DC 啊，咁成個 system 嘅。咁會唔會華語堂嗰邊一定要做㗎啦？咁咧改動咗之後咧，因為咧我哋係同呢個華語堂係 connected through 嗰個 storeroom 同埋嗰個出口咧，所以廣東堂都一定要做。咁係咪一齊做咧？呢個 smoke detection system。
Okay, thank you. Question about the fire alarms, smoke detection system. When do we do it? Based on the compliance requirement, we have to do it together. And the answer is, I don't know. I will ask the builder. 我會幫你問一問個 builder 睇下係點樣安排。Yeah. Okay, one last question. Angel. Use the mic, please. So that we're doing recording, so that for people that to listen. Yeah.
我想問下你，如果你知唔知道嗰個新嘅 air conditioning system 係咪 evaporative cooling 定係乜嘢咧
？Duct system, duct heating and cooling. The new aircon system is the split system, centralized system. Is duct heating and cooling.
OK， 係嗰啲
中文係咩啊？
係 refrigerated 嗰啲咯，唔係 evaporative cooling。
唔係 evaporative。
OK，
係啦。阿 Samuel 喺唔喺度啊？阿 Timmy 個仔，可唔可以幫到解釋啊？No, he's not here.
我知你講乜嘢。
Yeah. Okay, thanks everyone. I'm sure that you have more questions. Please scan and ask more questions or reach out to any of our BBT Building Project team members. Can I ask every single BBT members to stand up, please? Everyone, Chris and Andy, Fendi, Henry, David, 多謝大家，佢哋都做好多嘢㗎，即係 thank them for all the hard work and the deacons 都係唔該，可唔可以有請我哋嘅 deacons， 有請我哋嘅 secretary Andrew、Angel、Wanting、Sonia and our pastors. So there's a lot of decisions we made in the last few weeks, and then thank you. You get to know them and ask them questions. They've been going through a lot of emails and messages. I hope that we can give you more updated information along the way, and pray for us as well. It is a very interesting faith project for us, and we need your prayer. Especially pray for the builders, pray for safety as well. And maybe before we finish, can I ask Pastor John to pray for us and pray for the project team? You can do it in Cantonese or English. Yeah.
好，一齊祈禱。天父上帝，感謝你，我相信呢，你係上萬同嘅主，你係讓我哋教會經過幾個階段，去過幾個嘅地方，你都呢從一開始直到如今，直到將來引領住我哋，讓我哋可以去跟隨你嘅天父上帝，又讓到我哋可以喺一切嘅事情裏邊，我哋知道無論係你嘅帶領係點樣，讓到我哋可能會經歷一啲唔同嘅事情都好，讓我哋體會嘅始終都係能夠喺你裏邊嘅聖靈俾我哋嘅合一，讓到我哋去經歷嘅係彼此之間藉着唔同嘅事情去出現，能夠可以去互相去幫助，一齊去面對，亦都係喺教會重建嘅事情上邊睇到你係施恩嘅主。喺過去嘅好多嘅片段裏邊，感謝你讓到好多弟兄姊妹喺當中好用心啦，亦都睇到神好豐富嘅供應帶領，喺我哋好多唔知道情況嘅時候就有出路，就睇到一啲嘅 resources， 又睇到好多嘅唔同嘅有恩賜嘅弟兄姊妹就 step up。我相信呢，所有嘅呢一切都係神嘅帶領，直到如今，直到出年，直到整個工程嘅日子，我哋呢將一切交喺主你嘅恩手裏邊。我哋知道你有你自己嘅心意、時間、計劃、恩典，又就讓到我哋，雖然呢，我哋都係盡人嘅本分嚟到喺當中呢係作出最周詳嘅計劃，但我相信呢，始終一切喺你嘅手裏邊，讓我哋呢帶着嗰份嘅係期盼嘅心，求你嘅恩典臨在，讓到呢唔同嘅事情你有出現嘅時候，我哋就一齊喺你裏邊禱告，一齊去面對，一齊去跨過，以至呢整個嘅教會建築物，我哋相信唔單止係一個淨係一啲建築物料構成嘅建築物，乃係呢神嘅殿，乃係呢要去高舉榮耀傳揚主你自己嘅名，乃係整個嘅群體，我哋幾個嘅 congregation 都要被建立，都要去興起，都要去合一，都要經歷屬靈嘅更新，以至呢係能夠藉著呢一切嘅事情，成為合天父心意嘅門徒。主啊，求你咁樣去幫助我哋，感謝你讓到 Building Team 真係好努力嘅辛勞嘅嚟到去作工，我哋又有嘅 VD， 讓我哋一同嚟到去同工，懇求你幫助我哋都有好嘅溝通啦，一齊嚟到去經歷呢一切，就將榮耀歸俾我哋嘅三一神。感謝你垂聽我哋嘅祈禱，祈禱代奉耶穌嘅聖名祈求，阿門。
Thank you. Thanks everyone.